Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trap to Fab. So today's video is going to be a skincare video and it's a newly launched product. It's the Pond's Home Facial Kit. So I'm very excited to try this kit and it's just for 300. That's the most attractive point of this facial kit, and Pond's have recently launched this kit, and it also comes with one more variant. It's for charcoal one, and I have got this one. Its name is for spotless bright skin. This is the pink box, and the charcoal one is obviously the grey and black one. So I'm going to give it a try and let's see what the result is. And it's also available on Amazon under ₹300. And if you are someone like me who is more interested in doing ghar wala skin pampering खुद के हाथों से, तो do give it a try. And अभी जो सीन चल रहा है कोरोना का, तो उसमें ज़्यादा बेटर यही है कि आप अपने घर पे खुद से ये सारी चीज़ें करो. So this is how it was inside the box. Super cute, travel friendly, and it comes in this cute little bottles, which makes it again very useful. आप इसे store कर सकते हो 2 to 3 times. I guess ये use हो जाएगा. So starting with the step 1. So step 1 is cleanser. Beside this box, all the 6 steps are written, which makes it again very easier for all the beginners, even the advanced level, to follow the steps. So let's get started with step 1. That is all set for the facial. So step 1 says, apply on the face and neck, massage in small circular strokes for 2 to 3 minutes and wipe off with moist cotton. It smells amazing. If you are someone who loves fragrance in your skin pampering things, then you must give it a try. So I'm just taking few amount on my hand and with the help of my fingers spreading all over, and as the instruction was given, I'm going to follow the same. Apply on the face and neck, massage in small circular strokes for 2 to 3 minutes and then wipe off with moist cotton. So I'm just going to massage it in small strokes for 2 to 3 minutes and wipe it off with moist cotton. Moving on to step 2, which is scrub, and it's enriched with walnut shell powder. It helps exfoliate dead cells and remove excess oil. So the instructions are: apply the scrub all over your face, massage gently in circular movements for 5 to 7 minutes, use water if needed, or else wipe it off with moist cotton. So same way I'm going to follow the steps. I'm not kidding, but after the scrub my skin is feeling super soft and also bright, if you can notice. Also the particles were very tiny and gentle, so I'm completely loving so far. Now moving on to step 3. So step 3 is nourishing cream, and it's enriched with vitamin B3 and E. It hydrates your skin, and the instructions are: massage the nourishing cream gently with your fingertips till it gets absorbed and the consistency of the cream is gel. Smells amazing. Loving the glow. Moving on to step 4. So step 4 is massage cream with glycerine and vitamin E. This formula moisturizes your skin to give you a healthy glow. Massage the cream on your face and neck in a light circular upward strokes for 10 to 15 minutes. Use water if needed. Wipe off with moist cotton or else. So make sure that you are massaging the cream in the upward strokes. Now here I am just going to follow the very basic massaging steps that I have seen my mom doing at home. You can definitely follow the steps that you know. I'm just doing the basic ones, but just remember to do the upward strokes. That way it will help your bloods to boost up and give you more that reddish blush look. Now guys, don't hurry up, just take your time and massage it for good 10 to 15 minutes. So step 5 is face mask, and it's enriched with clay, glycerin, vitamin E and B3. It is known to help remove excess oil and tightening your skin. So the steps are: apply the mask in a thin even layer all over the face and neck. Avoid the eye area. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with splashes of cold water and make sure to pat dry. So finally, moving on to step 6, which is the last step of our facial routine, and it's finishing creme enriched with vitamin B3 and 12-HSA. It gives you spotless glowing skin. And the steps are: take the cream on your fingertips and gently apply it all over your face and neck. And ta-da! We are done with our home facial. And now very quickly, let's have a look on my before and after clip, and I hope you can clearly see how brighter my skin is looking right now. Guys, completely love the result from my before and after. I am in front of you can see yourself that my skin is looking much more brighter from when I started. So definitely give it a try. Also because first of all, the price of this product is just rupees 300 and you can reuse it, store it, use it for 2 to 3 times, and definitely it claims what it does. It claims for spotless bright skin, and you can see clearly my skin is much more brighter way from I started. So definitely this is a must try product, I will say. And also the packaging is super cute and travel friendly. So give it a try and I will see you in my next video. Until then, keep glowing, take care and bye.